Hi, my name's Autumn Malloy, and I'm here to share with you about the nanotechnology program. Now, nanotechnology is a program that a lot of people don't really understand. What nanotechnology is it's the study of very small things. Just to give you an idea of the scale of nanotechnology, if you hold your thumb up and you look at it and you count the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in those 5 seconds, your thumbnail grew 5 nanometers. And that's the scale that you work on. Now, the reason that's important is when things get to that scale, their properties change totally. Carbon becomes stronger, gold becomes cheap, silver becomes reactive, and you can build really small things that make other things work better. And so nanotechnology is a set of skills that is useful for all kinds of careers. When people ask, what can you do with nanotechnology? You can look at this list. It's useful in medicine and art and computers and solar cells and building cars and making tennis rackets and making water that comes off of clothes and purifying water. Almost any field can be done better with nanotechnology. And that's why this is the field of the future. Nanotechnology gives you a really unique skill set that sets you apart from other degrees. You learn how to look at things in this really small scale, and you learn how to work in a clean room. Because if you're working on things that are so small and a piece of dust falls on them, that's like an earthquake. So our students learn how to work in this special environment. What makes this program different is we actually have a partnership with Penn State. You take your capstone semester up there, either in person or online, and you get a certificate from Penn State, but you pay Westmoreland tuition. So that's a great value. And if you're wondering, do people get jobs here? The answer is yes. Here's a list of some of the companies that have hired our graduates. So if you are looking for a cutting edge program that offers you a set of skills that you can complement your existing program with, or go on to get a degree just in nanotechnology and get a job in any one of these companies that you see scrolling across the screen, this field is for you. Growing field, brand new technology. If you would like more information, please contact me at Autumn Malloy. I'm the Nanotechnology Program Director, and my email is malloya@westmoreland.edu. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.